The Arunachal Pradesh Patients Guest House Hotel Regalia was inaugurated today by Dr. Tani Natun, HOD Ophthalmology, Negrims, in the presence of assistant professors Dr. Tony Ette and Dr. Narang Naku. This guest house is specifically for patients coming to Negrims for medical treatment, and it is a novel initiative of our Honorable Chief Minister, Lana Chief Secretary and Secretary GAD, Madam. We have been receiving several inquiries as to how we can one can book rooms in this guest house. So I just would like to inform the process for allotting rooms here. सबसे पहले तो ये पेशेंट के लिए है, तो that too for referral cases जिनको भी निग्रिम्स में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए रिफर किया गया है, उनके लिए ये गेस्ट हाउस है, तो हम उन्हीं के लिए अलॉट करेंगे. तो हम मैंडेटरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स एज पर circular issued by Secretary Sadhana Ma'am, Secretary GAD, तो उसके हिसाब से referral letter from a government or empanel hospital वो mandatory है, CMAAY कार्ड और जो पेशेंट या अटेंडेंट आएंगे उनका ID मैंडेटरी है. जो रेफर केसेस नहीं है, जो यहाँ अपने हिसाब से ट्रीटमेंट करने आ रहे हैं, उनके लिए हम ये पेशेंट गेस्ट हाउस में नहीं देंगे. उनको हम हमारा जो दूसरा प्रॉपर्टी है अरुणाचल भवन सर्किट हाउस में हम रूम अलॉट करेंगे. CMAY कार्ड को इसीलिए हम मैंडेटरी कर रहे हैं ताकि जब आप ये रूम के लिए हमें भेजेंगे तो इनके साथ आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ हम CMAY कार्ड को रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस में ला दें, ताकि आप जब ट्रीटमेंट के लिए यहाँ आएंगे तो आपको दिक्कत महसूस ना हो. ये जितना भी जो रेफरल लेटर है, CMAY कार्ड है और ID कार्ड है, इसको आप
Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Tani Natung, Professor and Head of Department of Ophthalmology, Eye Department in Negrims. Today is a very good day with the great initiative from Government of Arunachal, especially our dynamic Chief Minister Mr. Pema Khandu and Secretary GAD Mrs. Sadhana Deori. We are able to inaugurate a guest house which is located just adjacent to Negrims, which is called Regalia. So here our patients from Arunachal Pradesh can stay at a very affordable rate in a very good environment. Earlier our patients used to have untold miseries looking for a place to stay when they were referred from Arunachal Pradesh to Negrims. Now all the problems will be over because they can stay at Regalia, which is very near to Negrims. So I wish all the patients, our people, all the best. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Hello, मैं Dr. Narang Naku, Assistant Professor Negrims General Surgery. Thank you, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, I would say, and especially thanks goes to Secretary Madam Sadhana Deori Ma'am ji and to the Pema Khandu government for taking up this initiative for the patient benefit, especially those who have been referred to Negrims for the treatment. And like we have been searching and then we have been having a problem in dealing with the patient referred from the most parts of Arunachal Pradesh to the Negrims, especially the trauma cases or emergency cases. Thank you. I would really want to thank you, Government of Arunachal Pradesh and Sadhana Madam Deori ji And then like I would also like to request to the patient and the party who takes this privilege to have this privilege to be in Negrims treatment and for this lodge कि kindly behave या फिर थोड़ा सा एक कायदा कानून या फिर थोड़ा रूल मुताबिक थोड़ा सा चलिए, so that like we don't have a chaos or ruckus out there. And then I hope कि every patient and party who comes to avail this opportunity will coordinate with the patient guest house provided by the government of Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Tony Yatte. I am working as Assistant Professor in Department of Cardiology, Negrims. Today is a great day for the people of Arunachal Pradesh. From today we have inaugurated the Hotel Regalia, or say the Arunachal Guest House for patients and attendants coming from our state for treatment in Negrims. This has been possible because of the unconditional support given by the Pema Khandu government, and special thanks to our Secretary Madam, Mrs. Sadhana Diori, IAS GAD, for the great initiative she has taken and for letting this happen. This has been a long pending need for the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Now the patients coming from Arunachal Pradesh can take the maximum benefit at the minimum price, or say maximum facilities at minimum price. And also it is very near to Negrims, so all the sufferings of running around searching for the lodge and accommodation comes to an end from today. And also I would like to request all the patients and attendants to cooperate with the administration, local as well as our commissioner, resident commissioner, and as well as government of Arunachal Pradesh to run the things smoothly, run the system smoothly. Initially, we may have some glitches. It may take time to streamline the system, but with your support, with everybody's support, with everybody's cooperation, things can happen and go smoothly. So again, thank you all, and let's make this endeavor a successful one. Thank you.